Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. Now, here at Bommer we build a plugin to help you spend less time on your BOM. So, let's get started. Here we have SOLIDWORKS, our camera slider model, and Bommer's live view. The first thing I'm going to do is edit a property. So I'm going to double click here, and as you can see I'm editing the description without opening the part or configuring any property pages within SOLIDWORKS. There's also a whole lot of other features that we can access up here, such as toggling between indented and flattened BOM, so you can structure out your bill of materials, or you can add virtual line items, like some paint. So let me hit some paint, hit OK. Now this will open up a property menu for this paint, and I'll edit the description. In this case it'll be Bommer Orange Paint. I hit the green check mark, and when I scroll down I see some paint with the Bommer Orange in the description. One of the other features we give you is the ability to edit what you see through views. If I hit Edit Views and scroll down to New, I'm able to create a new view. This can be whatever I need it to be to manage my bill of materials. Here I select what columns I would like to see whenever I pick this particular view. In this case, quantity, part number, configuration, category, and process. I hit Save, and I give this view a name. I hit OK, and then I hit Close and select View. And now you see that my bill of materials reflects the data that I put in the view. We also give you the ability to customize what rows are showing through filters. So if I hit Edit Filters, here I can add a particular property that I would like to filter on. I can select the drop-down to see all my custom properties, or I can start typing one and Bommer will fill in the gap. Now I set the value that I want this to filter on, and I hit OK. Once here I hit Save, I give this filter a name, I hit OK, and then I hit Close and Apply Filter. And now you can see that I only see the rows that I filtered on. Now for the good part, exporting our bill of materials. Normally exporting the bill of materials is a pain, but Bommer makes it easy. In this case I select Current View for properties and not all properties, as well as only the currently visible rows. I give this particular bill of materials a name, hit Save, and yes, I would like to open it. And here you see my bill of materials exported. Extremely fast and extremely easy. Let's say you need your bill of materials to follow a certain format. Well, Bommer lets you define custom export templates that Bommer will populate with Bommer data. So here we have an example template. And now we will go over how to add this template to Bommer. Before we export, we click our Settings tab, and alongside all the settings you can customize is templates. So we hit the plus sign, and we select the proper template. We press Open, and now we customize what tab within the Excel sheet we'll be writing to, in this case the RFQ tab. Confirm everything is okay, and hit the green check mark to save changes. Now we close out of this window, and once again go to Export. This time we select a template, however. Now all these parameters can be specified within the template itself. The rest is the same as a previous export. We give this particular bill of materials a name, and then hit Save. Yes, we would like to open this bill of materials, and now we can see our bill of materials in our letterhead and following the format that we needed it to. Once this template has been added, exporting within this template is as easy every time. So there's a lot we didn't cover and even more to talk about, but if you want to learn more or want to try it out yourself, see the links in the description down below. That's all I have for now, folks, so as always, have an awesome day.